Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how the define margin option works in STEL order. To do this, go to Catalog, then the Products tab, select the product, click Edit, and under the Payment Info, you'll find Defined Margin. If you enable this option, you'll be able to work with margins, so the system automatically calculates the product's base sales price. You'll only need to specify whether you want to work with markup or gross margin, depending on the type you want to use. Markup calculates profit based on the cost price. For example, if we set an 80% markup, the system automatically calculates a base sales price of €1.35. On the other hand, if we want to work with gross margin, we enter 75% and the base sales price changes to €3. If you disable this option, you'll need to manually enter both the base sales price and the cost price. In this case, for example, we'll set the cost price to 80 cents and the base sales price to €4. Don't forget to save the changes. This way, you can work in whichever way is most convenient for your needs. And if you still don't know STEL order, I invite you to try it for free.